Alright guys, welcome to another video. Today we're going to be doing a tutorial on how to use the WorkSharp pivot. So stay tuned through the intro. What's up? My name is Doug, the Bearded Outdoorsman. Welcome to another video. If you enjoy beard product reviews, gear tips, then you have come to the right place. Please consider hitting that subscribe button if you haven't already. Okay, so today is going to be a short video. I did a review of the WorkSharp pivot a while back. I'll put a card up top. You can go check that video out if you haven't yet. But today what I'm going to do is I'm going to show you guys how to use it. Just a simple knife sharpening tutorial. What I'm going to be using in that is going to be the Victorinox Swiss Army Tinker. I'm going to show you how to sharpen this big blade in here. But I'm going to change camera angle and set it up on my workbench so I can give you a little bit better view of it. But yes, great little sharpener, fits in your pocket, and highly recommend it. There will be a link to this in the description if you watch this tutorial and want to pick one up. Highly recommend you checking that out. And if you haven't seen the review video, like I said, that card's up top. You can go watch that review and then see how to use this. But you have coarse sharpening here. You have fine ceramic rods here. You also have a little diamond plate over here to sharpen like maybe a hand tool, and it's got a groove here where you can actually sharpen fish hooks. So really all around, the main thing I'm going to show you in the video that I'm fixing to go do is going to be how to use these top and bottom parts right there with just a regular pocket knife. So stay tuned for that. Now, with the WorkSharp pivot, I'm sorry for the low light, but the yellow part is the coarse and your white part is the ceramic honing blade. So what you want to do, up here we have a lock. And then what that does is, if it's unlocked, it has a little bit of play in this coarse sharpening stone. If you lock it, it does not. So I prefer for it to be locked. And you have rubber grips here, as I mentioned in the review, but you want to hold that down like this. Take your knife and start at the very back of it and pull, not pressing down too hard, and just let it ride through. However many number of times you do this, so we'll do it 5 times. So that's 3, that's 4, and that's 5. So you want to go with the curvature of the blade. So this blade has a little bit of a curve at the end. So you're just gonna drag it straight, and then you're gonna give it a little roll at the end. So we did that 5 times. Now we wanna do it 5 times on this side. And you do the exact same thing. You just kind of roll at the end. I think that was 5. And so what that did was the coarse is going to get any burrs or any bad spots on your blade. That's going to get that out. And then the coarse, the fine, the ceramic blade, the ceramic honing rods are just going to hone that in and give you a nice clean edge. Now you don't have to stop at 5 times. You can do it 5 times and then go back through and do the whole setup again until your knife is as sharp as you want it to be. Alright guys, well, I hope you found this video helpful. If you did, make sure to hit that thumbs up button. Make sure to hit subscribe if you haven't already. Check out my website, thebeardedoutdoorsman.com. And yeah, that's all I got for you today. Until next time, stay bearded, get outdoors, and God bless.